so I got you something today. Do you want to see it?
Yeah.
What did I get you?
Woo, skills. Jacob stayed inside the whole time. Sign more. Good job.
Good morning. So I decided that I needed a little something to work toward on the silks, like not just doing tricks or getting flexible, but doing an actual routine. So I looked up a beginner's routine online, and it is pretty basic, but I think I could do it. So I am going to be practicing doing that routine, and we'll see how it goes and how long it takes me. It is gonna take some core work to keep my balance, but I did it. So I've been noticing a little habit developing for our little lady. And this habit has been ruining a lot of shirts that she has. So I got you something today. Do you wanna see it?
Yeah.
What did I get you? Can you show me? Necklaces. I got you necklaces, and these are necklaces you can chew. You can bite the necklaces. Isn't that fun? Because you like to chew on stuff, especially when you are concentrating. And it's, yeah, mommy has a necklace. These necklaces are for you. No, Jakey doesn't get it. Just for you. Yep. Let's open it. Can you use your fingers? Use your thumbs. There we go. What is this? It's kind of big, huh? Which one do you want? And of your shirt, when you're watching your shows, you can chew on these. Or when you're drawing, or when you're trying to focus, you just put one in your mouth. Do you like it? Yay! So I just want to say thank you to all of you who put comments in the comment section and gave suggestions about what to get as far as these necklaces. We had all sorts of brands I could look at and different kinds of necklaces, so it just really opened up a lot of options for us. And anyway, I appreciate all your suggestions.
All right, good morning. It is a Saturday, and we as a family are gonna head out. We're gonna go and watch a show and play at a park and just have a fun Saturday. You ready for some fun, boys? What about you, Elisabeth?
Yeah.
Yeah. We also have Ashleigh here, and we have Grandma with us, who we lovingly call Nana K. Nana K. I already showed the boys. You want me to show them again? There is Michael. We took Jacob with us to go watch a movie, and he wasn't really interested in the movie, but he stayed inside. Now he's starting to show a little bit of interest in screens and shows, and so maybe he might watch some of this one. We'll see. All right, first up, we're playing at the park. We left the splash pad because we don't want to get wet before we go into the theater. Woo, skills. You got it, Elisabeth. Take that step. Keep going. Big step. Big step. Yep, pull yourself up. Good girl. Good job, Elisabeth. Here comes Jacob. Last Saturday, Elisabeth didn't go up this ladder, but this time she did. Good job. Way to go. You're climbing that ladder like a pro now. Gotcha. Oh, your foot got stuck. Gotta pull it out. There we go. You're getting pretty close there, Michael.
Easy.
All right, come on, Jacob. It's time to go. Here we go.
Helmet, pads, gloves, safety checklist is...
All right, so the movie's over, and Jacob stayed inside the whole time. He never had to go out. He did get distracted a little bit. We had to keep him busy with a few things, but he watched some of the show. I would say less than half for sure, though. But it is progress that he's paying a little more attention to things.
Which one? Banana. 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 Do you want me to open it? Open.
Good.
Good. Banana. There you go.
We're trying to help Jacob to make choices.
Make decisions.
He was signing apple, but going
It sounded like, yeah.
Banana.
I don't think he...
Banana.
I haven't seen him do the sign for banana, but he's signing apple a lot. But he might be, there it is, he's signing it again. But when we put an apple and banana in front of him, he often chooses the banana. You guys enjoying your tacos?
Mom, these tacos are.
And Elisabeth,
What do you want, Elizabeth?
another taco?
Yeah.
Sign more.
No.
Good job.
Good.
Elizabeth, can I see your necklace? You have a new chew necklace, don't you? Yeah, that's so you can chew on, huh? That's really been helping.
Yep.
And Ashleigh has one on too.
I do.
Mom, these are
Elizabeth
so
wants
good.
us to wear them together.
That's
Seems
right.
to be helping us keep it on.
Mom, these tacos are so good.
So good. Yay.
Yummy dinner.